Okay, I thought I'd give you a different perspective of where we're at. There's our garden beds down there. Way down there is the windmill. There's the garage I've been working on. Then you can see the level area where our home site is going to be. Way down at the bottom of the hill is our big water retention pond, because the wash comes through the valley and a lot of water hits that wash. Look this way, we're going south now. Way in the distance is the Great Wall of Donald Trump, the border wall. That is an area called Bisbee Junction, just a little housing community that's been there for a long time. Way in the distance is the Huachuca Mountains. Oh, by the way, let's go back. That mountain is Mount San Jose in Mexico. You can see Mexico. It's just very beautiful, mountainous. This is something we love around here, is the ocotillos. I was just told that ocotillos are not seasonal. They will sprout leaves whenever it rains. A month ago, they were all starting to turn yellow, and then we had some good rains, and now they're all green again. They like rocky, well-drained soil. We live on a big rock here. Next door is the property we're buying, my parents are buying. And you can't see it here, but on the other side over there is a single wide that we're going to add on to and make them a nice place to live out the rest of their lives. So that's our property. Oh yeah, I hope I'm not making you seasick. These solar panels here, 6 of them, and 4 right down there are how we power this place. We plug our motorhome right on into it, so we're running off solar in our motorhome. Maybe on another video I'll explain our water collecting system. We plan on running on rainwater for the most part. As I told you in a different video, the new garage there will collect, if we get an average rainfall, we'll collect 9,000 gallons, just under 9,000 gallons a year. And these 2 roofs will collect that much as well, so we can get 18,000 gallons of water, not to mention what we'll collect off of our house. And here's my little buddy Shiloh basking in the sun. And that's my shadow. Say hi, buddy. That's my little pal. So, and that's where we recycle our compost toilet, which is something most people don't think about. You can actually recycle that, or yeah, recycle. That's the right word. Anyways, that's our property. We have 42 acres, and when we are done with the purchase of that, it'll be 40. We'll have 82 acres right here, which is a pretty good spread. We're on top of a hill, and we get a 360 view. See you next time.